tornado siren! Quick! Turn on the news!
An F5 tornado is cutting its way through the city, and it could be headed for the kitchen. With more, we go to Pineapple in the field.
Thanks, Tom. Not really sure I should be out here. Ow! But I guess this is what means Emmys.
What do you see, Pineapple? What's going on?
Well, the tornado is super huge. It's changing course at random and... Oh, it appears to be heading toward... Oh, my...
Pineapple, what is it?
I just took out a knife factory, Tom! Oh, this is bad. I gotta get out of here!
Stay strong, Pineapple. We need you covering this tornado.
This is no tornado, Tom. It's cooking hundreds, possibly thousands of knives in the factory it's just wrecked. We're dealing with a full-blown... knife-nado!
Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man! You heard him! That knife-nado could be here any minute! What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Everyone relax. We have a tornado cellar for this exact type of situation.
Whoa, really? Whew, that's a relief.
You sound surprised, Orange.
Sure am. I thought there was no way we'd have the foresight to make a tornado cellar. I figured we'd blow it for sure.
Orange, last year we tasked you with building the cellar.
What?
You didn't build the tornado shelter? Where did all the money we gave you go?
Definitely not towards these sweet kicks and chains. You don't have feet or a neck!
Guys, I hate to break this up, but... Knife-nado!
There! Look out for that knife! And that knife! And that knife! And that other knife! And that knife
Orange!
down!
There are knives everywhere!
Oh! Who wants to knife limbo with me? How low can you go? How low can you go? Now is not the time, Orange! Little Apple can't participate in the limbo contest. That would be cheating.
Guys, don't look now, but I think the knife-nado is headed for another factory!
Hopefully not another knife factory.
Worse! It's a...
Squash factory! This is too much! How can I avoid all these knives and all these squashes? We're headed for another factory! It's a TNT factory!
Now this is just getting ridiculous.
Nobody touch the TNT! Also make sure that none of the knives touch any of the TNT! None of the squashes either!
Ugh, this is exhausting.
Bad news, guys! I think the knife-nado is taking us toward yet another factory! And this one's a real doozy! Orange factory! Oh, come on! Hey! Hey!
Yes? What do you want?
Hey!
I heard you. What do you want?
Well, that's what I can do! Hey! Hey! What rhymes with tornado and is full of knives?
Probably a knife-nado?
Nope! A Julius Caesar-nado! Aw, man, that's good.
At this point, I kind of wish a knife would hit a stick of TNT.
A crane! The knife-nado's dissipating!